Want to dominate YouTube in 2025? These AI-powered niches are your golden ticket. AI is changing the game, and some really interesting opportunities are opening up on this platform. We're breaking down 7 AI-powered niches that are primed to explode in 2025 and beyond. So whether you're into tech, education, fitness, or just want to stay ahead of the curve, this video has something for you. Alright, so we've all heard about AI, right? It's been making waves everywhere, and the world of content creation is no exception. AI tools are becoming increasingly powerful, capable of generating high-quality scripts, voiceovers, even entire videos with minimal human intervention. Imagine this. You could be editing your videos, crafting the perfect thumbnail, and writing engaging descriptions, all while AI is generating your next script, or even animating parts of your video. This isn't some far-off future, it's happening right now. Not only can you produce more content in less time, but it also allows you to experiment with different styles, formats, and even languages, reaching a wider audience than ever before. We're talking about AI-powered tools that can analyze trends, optimize your video titles for search, and even suggest the best time to upload for maximum engagement. AI can also enhance your creativity. Imagine having an AI co-writer that helps you brainstorm video ideas, suggests compelling storylines, or even generates unique visuals to make your content stand out from the crowd. It's like having a superpowered creative partner, right there in your computer, ready to help you take your content to the next level. One of the most exciting areas where AI is making a huge impact is education. We're seeing a surge in demand for educational content that's personalized, engaging, and accessible 24/7, and AI is stepping up to deliver. Imagine AI-powered virtual tutors that can adapt to your learning style, provide personalized feedback, and answer your questions in real time. Or how about language learning apps that use AI to create immersive, interactive experiences that feel like you're actually speaking the language? We're talking about AI-powered platforms that can teach you everything from coding and graphic design to photography and music production, all tailored to your specific skill level and goals. Think about interactive quizzes, animated explainers, or even AI-generated documentaries that bring complex topics to life. AI-powered translation tools are breaking down language barriers, making it easier than ever to share your knowledge with the world. The health and fitness industry is another space ripe for disruption by AI, and we're already seeing some really cool applications. Imagine having an AI-powered fitness coach right in your pocket, available 24/7 to guide you toward your fitness goals. This is next-level stuff, with AI algorithms that can analyze your data, track your progress, and even create personalized workout and nutrition plans based on your body type, fitness level, and goals. Imagine an app that not only tracks your runs but also analyzes your gait and suggests ways to improve your form and prevent injuries. Or how about an AI-powered nutritionist that creates a meal plan based on your dietary restrictions, allergies, and even your DNA? You could create content around AI-powered fitness challenges, share your experience using these technologies, or even develop your own AI-driven fitness app. Explain how these technologies work, debunk common myths, and show viewers how they can leverage AI to achieve their own fitness goals. Show people how AI can help them achieve their unique fitness aspirations, and you'll be well on your way to building a loyal following in this exciting niche. AI is rapidly changing the way we manage our money, and this presents a massive opportunity for creators who can break down this complex topic in a way that's easy to understand and even entertaining. We're talking about AI-powered robo-advisors that can manage your investments, apps that analyze your spending habits and help you budget more effectively, and even algorithms that can predict market trends with surprising accuracy. Imagine creating videos that explain how AI is used in stock market predictions, or demystifying the world of cryptocurrency trading with the help of AI-powered tools. You could even create content around AI-driven personal finance management, showing people how to use these technologies to save money, pay off debt, and achieve their financial goals. Don't just throw around complicated financial jargon, break it down in a way that anyone can understand. This is a niche that's only going to grow in the coming years. So if you're passionate about finance and tech, now is the perfect time to jump in and start creating. AI isn't just changing the game in tech and finance, it's also making waves in the world of entertainment, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in music, art, and content creation. We're talking about AI-generated music that sounds like it was composed by a human, AI-powered tools that can create stunning visuals and animations, and even algorithms that can write scripts and screenplays. Imagine creating a music video with AI-generated music and visuals, or showcasing the capabilities of AI art generators. by creating and selling your own unique pieces. You could even create content that explores the philosophical implications of AI in art, sparking debate and discussion among your audience. Don't be afraid to push the boundaries, try new things, and see what's possible when you combine human creativity with the power of AI. This is a niche that's all about innovation and exploration. So if you're someone who loves to experiment and think outside the box, AI in entertainment could be the perfect niche for you. For all you gamers and game developers out there, AI is about to change your world in some seriously cool ways. We're not just talking about smarter NPCs. We're talking about AI that can design game levels, balance gameplay, and even create personalized gaming experiences. Imagine playing a game where the AI learns your playstyle and adapts the difficulty level in real time, or where the storyline changes based on the choices you make. As a creator, you could focus on showcasing these advancements, reviewing AI-powered games, or even teaching people how to use AI tools to create their own games. Think about tutorials on how to use AI for game development, or live streams where you pit your skills against AI opponents. AI is already being used to analyze player performance, and we could see AI-powered coaches and commentators becoming the norm in the near future. The gaming community is hungry for innovation, so if you can combine your passion for gaming with your knowledge of AI, you'll be well positioned to build a dedicated following. AI isn't just about futuristic entertainment or complex financial algorithms, it's also about making our everyday lives easier, and that's where the world of smart homes comes in. We're talking about AI-powered home assistants that can control your lights, adjust the thermostat, and even order groceries with just your voice. Imagine creating videos that review the latest smart home gadgets, offer tips and tricks for setting up your own smart home, or even explore the ethical considerations of living with AI. You could create tutorials on how to program your smart home to automate daily tasks, or show off the coolest features of the latest AI-powered home security systems. You could create content around setting up the ultimate AI-powered home theater, complete with personalized movie recommendations and mood lighting. Focus on showing people how they can use AI to simplify their lives and create a more comfortable and convenient home environment. So, there you have it, 7 AI-powered niches that are primed to dominate YouTube in 2025 and beyond. The key is to be creative, experiment with new technologies, and most importantly, be passionate about the content you're creating. What's your take on this? Let us know below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.